What does the revolution mean? The word revolution means a rapid, radical and qualified change in a particular field. Radical changes made in one area, developments that occur in the interests of the people are called revolutions. If there is a political, social, economic insufficiency or a deficit of the administration, the changes made by the people or a community by rebelling and using force are also called a revolution. What does the revolution mean? What is its origin? Therefore, the word revolution also meets these two completely opposite concepts. The meaning of the revolution that meets the meaning of the revolution refers to developments that are in the best interest of the majority, while the revolutionary side indicates that it is difficult to use it on the way to change. The word revolution, derived from the verb root of a revolution, has English roots. What is the other name of the revolution? After September 12, 1980, the revolution was considered an objectionable word in our country, and the use of the words revolution and revolution was found more appropriate instead of revolution. Since that date, the word revolution has been removed from textbooks published, and its old equivalents have been used instead. Currently, the words revolution and revolution are used as a synonym for the word revolution or another name for revolution. What is revolutionism? Revolutionism is an opinion that supports revolutions and suggests that society will rise with revolutions and reach the level of modern civilization. English decibel is a term used to refer to the expression of the English language as a form of. It means the adoption, development and protection of revolutions against all kinds of dangers. Revolutionism, or reformism in its current form from English to our language, is a worldview that argues that the necessary changes in society should occur suddenly, not in the form of a revolution, but in the form of a smooth transition through reforms. The principle of revolutionism is an innovative principle in accordance with the basic principles. It is to make a new one instead of demolishing the old institutions. What is the revolution? Radical changes made by force as a result of a mass uprising are called revolutions. The word revolution is different from reform. Reform and revision means the gradual and legal change of something. The revolution, on the other hand, is used for radical changes that have a shock effect. This word is also used today to describe the fundamental changes that have taken place in almost every field. The phrase a revolutionary change is also included in everyday life as a stereotypical expression. The word revolution, 21. Until the 18th century, it was used only in the literal sense. Revolution, which is a political word, is also used figuratively in the media and advertising sector today.